To use your fingerprint as an alternative screen lock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap screen lock type. Enter your current screen lock type. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Tap fingerprints. A page content with some explanation about fingerprints will appear. If needed, you can read it to understand it better. Tap continue to continue the process. A page content with some information on how to get the face scan when registering your fingerprints. Tap register to continue registering your fingerprint. Press with the pad of your finger you like to register inside the circle, and then leave your finger when the circle is fully highlighted. Repeat until you reach 100%. And then tap done button. Here you can see some options related with fingerprint unlock. You can enable or disable fingerprint always on. When this option is on, you can do fingerprint scanning even when the screen is off. You can also set on your phone to display the fingerprint scanner icon when the screen is off. As the example, we will set it to tap to show. The last option, you can enable or disable show animation when unlocking option. When this option is enabled, your phone will display water ripple effect around the fingerprint scanner when you are unlocking your phone with your fingerprint. To save your setting, tap done button. Now turn off the screen. Since the fingerprint always on option in this phone is on, without turning on the screen, place the finger that you have registered before on the fingerprint scanner to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.